so this is an answer to a video. Can you reorder this part right here, which is illustrated there, but it's goes on top of the rechargeable battery for this drill right here, which I have the set, which has the flashlight as well. So this battery comes off for the bottom here, and then you place this on top of the battery as seen in my other video, and then the plug goes in here. So if you lose this part, yeah, you can get a replacement for $7. So I hope that answers your question. And just in case you need to know, it's called the Drillmaster. I just searched for Drillmaster 18-volt NiCd charger, NiCd charger, and the item number is 69652. So I hope that answers your question. I hope you have a great day. See if you can help somebody pass this along.